Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. Not my normal intro, but stupid me did not film one. So we're just starting here. Marley's room, we've ripped everything out basically, and we're starting afresh. Smile. Cuteness. Please ignore the giant mattress. That's where we were staying in the room. It basically needs removing. But this is where we're at. So this back wall is going to be panelled. So it's going to be a stud wall, and then this wall is going to be the same colour as the panelling basically. I'm thinking of changing the radiators, but I'm not 100% sure yet. It's not like a priority, but basically I don't want the bed touching the radiator. So here is going to be the stud wall to make the wall flush so that the bed can go against it basically. And then maybe some pictures on this wall or a sliding door for his wardrobe. Okay, I thought I'd have more paint on me, but I feel like I've done pretty well. Little bit there. I'm just going to show you a little progress. I thought painting was a lot easier than this, and it is so stressful. Okay, we've got 3 coats on this wall. We've stopped painting this wall because it's getting panelled, so I don't know, we've kind of decided to just fill in holes and not waste time. And then I basically had about 10 greens on this wall. Like, these 4 are the favourites. And then here's some others. But I can't believe how hard it is to pick a green. So my favourite's this one, that's why I've made it a lot bigger. My friend Lucia's nursery is this one, which I really do like. But I just don't know if I want more of a pop. On the camera, these 3 look exactly the same, but they actually aren't at all. It's so weird looking through a lens on it. But yeah, there was a colour here, 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 there was a colour there. So yeah, as you can see, I've filled in those ones because they are definite no's. And yeah, these are the famous 4. So this, how on the camera, but this is the green. Maybe you can tell a bit better compared to like the beige. This colour, this is from B&Q. I feel like here's the sample, it might say on here. What did we go for? We went for green willow in matte. Maybe, oh, you can see kind of like from that angle. So yeah, this wall, if you can see if I go back a bit. So this wall and this wall are going to be the same colour, but this is going to be panelled, hopefully. Process. I feel like I've just got to trust the process, so I'm covered in like dots of white because I did this wall. I gave that wall another coat, so that's had 4 coats now, so that's basically fresh white done. Oh, I need a shower so bad. And yeah, then I'm gonna keep going with the green. Yeah. Look at the kip of me. Marley update, or Marley's room update. We have a plasterer coming on Wednesday. We've got Jordan's dad coming tomorrow to do electrics. And currently, Jordan is trying to make a fake wall. It's called a stud wall. It's real. It's a real wall. Are you proud? Well done, me. How many hours is it taking you?
About 2.
Yeah, more like 4. But we have a stud wall, just the plasterboard to go up now. It was good, mate. High 5. Proud of you. It's making me so excited. There we go. There you have it. Look at all this DIY mess, but the wall is done. All ready to be plastered on Wednesday. Well done.
Good state, yeah.
Well done. You're basically a joiner now. I'm proud of you. I wouldn't have had the patience. So today is Marley plastering day. Marley's room being plastered, not Marley plastering. I'm just really excited to get this room done. Like, I'm like a woman on a mission. Like, there's no stopping me. Like, I want this room done ASAP. I just want Marley to have like his own space. Like, obviously he's in the spare room, his old bed's in there, so, and like he's got a telly and like some of his toys, but I just feel like he just needs maybe some more like excitement in this house. I feel like for him, obviously it's a massive change, and I just feel like he needs, I don't know, like the room he's in at the minute isn't that exciting. Like it's not really a 7-year-old's room, if that makes sense. Like it's not decorated or anything. So I just hope like this will excite him. I just love a transformation as well. So yeah, Marley's room is all prepped, ready to be plastered. The plaster should be coming in like half an hour. Jordan actually tidied up in here for him as well, because I went to the cinema last night. No, I didn't. I went to the theatre last night to see Blood Brothers with Jordan's mum. So yeah, he made it all nice and tidy for the plasterer. I'm just excited for the end of the day. Okay, we have a full wall. The plasterer's just gone. I hope the camera can show this, because he told me to like put my head against it. Oh, you can't really tell, but it literally is like a mirrored effect. Like it is literally, yeah, you definitely can't tell on the camera. But if you had your head here, guys, you'd be able to tell. So now the wall is all done and plastered. Got to wait for that to dry. Do like 50-50 of matte paint, and then we can crack on. But yeah, I'm just so happy we're there. It's crazy. Like we've got a full wall now, so now his bed has a home, and I just feel like the room will work better for us now with his bed. Quite a lot of people message me like, oh my god, don't get rid of that side of the wall, put storage in. But I'm a bit like weird, like things have to be symmetrical, and it would just really bug me having like shelves on one side of the bed. I don't know, I'm a bit weird. But yeah, so gotta wait for that to dry, and then can crack on with getting it painted and panelled. So I don't think I've done an update in a couple of days. Marley's room is coming along so good. I think the last thing I filmed was when the plastering had been done, which was like a couple of days ago. Oh. So the plastering is now nearly dried, so I'm going to show you what Jordan's been doing today. Okay, so this is the room. Jordan put skirting on today. It looks so good, this wall does. The room, on the other hand, doesn't. That's gone down to there. And then we think we're going to add a plug here, but obviously it still looks a little bit wet. So hopefully tomorrow that'll be all dry. But yeah, Jordan's just turned into a joiner at this point. Made a fake wall, put on skirting. I'm well impressed. So we've got my dad's. We've roped him in to help. We're getting there very slowly. So we basically have 2 days to get this room painted. Today included, so probably a day and a half now. Look at my stain on my hands. I'm not a painter. Don't enjoy it. Today has been another very productive day, I would say. My hands, honestly, I've washed them so much today, it's ridiculous. We're getting there. So my dad came earlier and helped, and now 90%'s dry and Jordan is paneling. So he's just kind of on the easy bit of just doing the edges. I think it will get more complicated trying to make sure all the squares are exactly the same. Okay, Marley's asleep, that's why I'm being a bit quiet, but the paneling is done. Jordan, I feel like, has become like the DIY king, because all I've done is paint. I've done nothing DIY really, and he's done such a good job. I've still got paint on me. I hope I'm gonna just like live with paint on me for like the next however long this house takes to Reno. Ta-da! So good. So yeah, tomorrow is a paint day to get the paneling all done. Tomorrow, basically, we just got tomorrow to get this house, not this house. We basically got tomorrow to get this room painted, fresh, all done, because carpet's going in the day after. Oh, another long day of painting. I'm actually fed up of painting now. Update. This is where we're at. Jordan's just finishing the skirting. I've doing all the rest of the skirting. And I'm sweating. I've done that shelf. I need to do that shelf. And then we need to get this painted. It's quite hot today, I'm not gonna lie. The windows are open and we're just sweating. But yeah, carpets tomorrow. We're getting there, guys. Very slowly, but we're getting there. I thought it would be a lot faster, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't realise how long the process was. Oh, and we went from 2 lights to 1. Jordan's dad came this morning and sorted that out. Look, we've got some matte black plug sockets. And then matte black switch. It's just got finger marks all over it. Don't know if that's gonna help them. That might irritate the hell out of me. We will see. So 90%, no, that's such a lie. That is such a lie. I'd say like 70% is done. Jordan's just doing the switches now. We've still got to wait for the paneling primer to dry before we can put the paint on, which says it could take like over 16 hours. So that might be my job in the morning when I wake up, start painting that green. But like everything else is done. Like skirting board looks fresh, shelves, walls, ceiling. There's a bit that needs sanding down on the ceiling. I can't believe I'm actually on camera looking at this. Have you seen the state of me? I'm having a bath. I'm in a hot bath because I can't get the gloss off me. Oh, I actually look mad. I spilled a whole tub of gloss on the floor as well, so that was great. But we move, we clean. Say hi. Hi. Here's my Lucia. So this is where we're at. Okay, don't mind the fact that it's like, what the hell is going on? So basically, I put the paint on this morning, it did this, and I thought I was gonna throw up and cry at the same time. And thought I'm gonna have to sand it all off. And loads of people like said, like the primer's not a good primer, the one we bought, which is a bit annoying. But anyway, I thought, okay, let's just see what I can do here. So I've layered it and it seems to be setting. It's like the primer needed a base, which is like this ugly layer. And now every time I put another coat on, it holds. So yeah, Lucia's come to the rescue and helped me finish it. So as you can see, these ones were what I did this morning. So the paint's holding better. And hopefully another couple of coats.
This is the favourite one.
This is the favourite one. This is the magic one that looks perfect. So we expect this for all of them. So wish us luck. The carpets are coming today, so this is the best we can do so far. Don't judge us, guys. We've done our best.
We tried.
Every time I come on this camera, I look weirder. Like, I'm always covered in paint. My hair doesn't look washed. I just look a state. So this is where we're painting. Obviously the top needs doing. And the carpet's fitted. Oh my God, I feel like the video doesn't give it enough credit. Looks a bit grey on my video, but it is like a creamy colour.
Creamy beige, isn't it?
Yeah. Ah! The plan was we're gonna stop, have a lunch break, and then do the top before they came. But then Lucia was like, oh, we'll get that done after we've eaten.
Jinxed it.
Jinxed it, they pulled up. So not the end of the world. They've given me some spare carpet to put down because obviously they were like, you're still decorating, please put this carpet down.
Trustworthy.
I'm not, I spilled a whole tub of gloss yesterday. But yeah, it's done. It's been a very long journey to get to this point where the bed can go up, but we're here now. It's taken us like 2 weeks, obviously working in between school and all the life that's been going on. But yeah, the wall is done, the plug socket's on, and the fresh carpet is in. So yeah, the panelling's done, all painted, carpet's down, plug sockets on, light. Yeah, this door's getting changed, so we've not even bothered changing anything because obviously I feel like we need to change the sparkly handle. But yeah, that's why there's paint on it. We're not bothered about that. The only thing is I've had to paint here and the ceiling, but it's literally nearly dry, to be fair, already. And this is the bed. So yeah, the telly's gonna go like here. We're just gonna get his bed up for now. But I'm so happy. Jordan's done a fantastic job, to be honest. I feel like I've gave like 30%, he's given the rest. Why is a bed taking me hours to put up and just keep doing things wrong? I'm not with it. Ready? Ready?
is gonna come back. California!
Big boy, Ben.
Yeah.
You're a big boy.
Now, yeah. What did that stop? This.
That is you. Night. Is it comfy? Let me see. Oh, it is nice. Night. And that's it. Marley's bedroom transformation is finally done. I am so happy with it. I'm just so glad that his room is now done and he's got his own place and having all his things out and just somewhere for him. But yeah, blood, sweat and tears went into this room. I definitely think we'll question getting a painter for some other rooms because it was a lot harder than we thought, especially when you're DIYing and priming and not knowing what you're really doing. But it was fun in the making, and the before and after is like the best bit to look back on. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, what room do you want to see. Please subscribe, and thank you as always for supporting me. Mwah.